Hello everyone and welcome back to Qubrid AI. I'm Sharveri. I work as DevRel at Qubrid AI. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Claude Opus 4.7 model, which is the latest model from Claude Opus series. So this model is designed to handle a agentic workflow, knowledge-heavy tasks, vision use case, and even memory-based interaction. So it's a really strong option if you're building more advanced AI application. So before we jump in, let me quickly give you a quick overview of what Qubrid AI does. So Qubrid AI is a GPU infrastructure platform that lets you run, test, and deploy AI models at scale without managing any GPUs by yourself. To get started, you can simply start by adding some credits to your account, and on your first top up, you'll receive some free bonus credits, which are enough to run inference for up to 4 million tokens, depending on the model which you are using. So once you're set up, you can simply start using it. Let's go ahead and log in into your account. I have already logged in into my account and let's jump right away to our chat interface. So this is what our chat interface looks like. And on your use case basis, we have segregated some models over here. So in frontier model, we have our Claude Opus 4.7 model. So let's try giving it some prompt. Let's ask it to give, hey, can you give me the product plan for 30 days. It should go to market strategy for image generation application. Let's send in the prompt. As you can see, the model has started generating our response over here. So along with the response, we also have got the prompt tokens which the model has used. Completion token, TTFE, total time taken, and TPS. So these parameters are important when you're benchmarking this model for production use. So let's analyze the output. As you can see, it has given a good 30-day go-to-market product plan over here. It has also like generated a well-structured detailed response over here by breaking everything down into sections, such as from days 1 to 10, you can do market positioning, then 3 to 4, brand and messaging, then 5 to 7, digital asset, and then you can start by soft launching the product, like beta release, content engine, creator outreach. Then after day 15, we can do like big launch day, etc. etc. And the last, we can see the key KPIs to track as well. Then there is this suggested budget split also it has given. So it has given a very good launch strategy as well, and which market channels to track and which KPIs to track as well. So instead of like a generic answer, you get something that is much more organized and usable. So this is how this model works. Along the side, if you want to like try out other models as well, we also support the Claude Opus 4.6 model as well. You can try this one and even 4.5. So we have a very good range of Claude models as well. So you can go ahead and try it out. If you're happy with the output, and if you want to integrate it into any of your backend workflows or application, click on view code and copy the serverless endpoint over here. So currently we support Python, Curl, JavaScript, and Go. You can just copy it and integrate it into any of your application. But make sure that you replace this API key, this placeholder with our API key. So to get an API key, click on get an API key. You can click on create an API key and create a new API key for yourself. Let's say test 5. If you want your API key to get expired, you can check this. Otherwise, just uncheck it and create an API key. Make sure to save this API key somewhere safely because this key will be shown to you only once, and if you lose this key, you have to create a new one. So if you want to dive more deeper into it, you can click on View Docs and view our documentation page as well. We also support API references as well over here. You can check this documentation out. And we also have model quick starts. We have Qubrid AI model, DeepSeek model over here. Then we have Minimax, Microsoft NVIDIA model, and OpenAI model as well. So you can check these model documentation out as well. So if you need any help or have any doubts, you can join our Discord community or open a support ticket. We are always happy to help you guys. So that's it for today, guys. And if you're building anything around agentic workflows, knowledge work, or advanced AI assistant, definitely give this model a try on Qubrid AI platform. And let me know in the comments what are you building next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.